Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Speechify to read a book on a device. Now to use the Speechify to read a book, you just need to follow the steps till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Speechify app. So if you have not installed the Speechify app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, open the Speechify app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, you may simply log into your account by clicking on the option of login, and from here you just need to tap on the plus like icon at the very bottom of the screen, and from here you'll see the option of import, and under that you'll see the option of bookstore, Kindle, Google Drive, Dropbox, and all of the things. So you just need to select the book from where you want to import it. So if you want to import it from bookstore, click on it, but if you want to import it from Kindle library, so click on the option of Kindle library. So I'll simply import it from the bookstore right now, so I'll simply select the book which I want to read. So I'll click on the option of read now, and from here the book will be uploaded, and after it has been uploaded you'll need to click on the option of play like icon. But if you want to change the voice, click on the option of voice, and you may select the voice from here. So if you click on the option of play, the book will be continue reading on it, and you may also increase or decrease the reading speed like this, and you may also increase or decrease the reading speed like this. So click on the reading speed of your choice and you click on the option of play to read the book. So that's it. That's how you can use the Speechify to read a book. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.